Section 1. The compass. Your first step to true north. A map is a flat picture of the world, but the world itself is all around you. To make sense of the map, connect it to the real world. This is where the compass becomes your most trusted tool. Before anything else, you must find north. North is the anchor point, the constant direction. Without north, your map is just lines and colors, disconnected from the ground beneath your feet. A magnetic compass seeks the Earth's magnetic north, giving you a reliable direction to start from. This compass-first approach grounds your map in reality. Hold the compass flat, away from metal objects. Watch the needle settle and point to north. Find the compass rose printed on the map. Turn the map so its end points in the same direction as your needle. You'll feel a small mental click when it's right. Now, everything on the map corresponds to what you see. A road drawn on the right is actually to your right. A park ahead on the map is truly ahead of you. This is the foundation of all map reading. Always orient the map. Symbols, scale, and grids. With your map correctly oriented, you can begin to decipher its language. Every map is covered in symbols. The key translates symbols into real features. A solid blue line is nearly always a river. Dashed blue can indicate a smaller, intermittent stream. Green areas often mark parks, forests, or other vegetated spaces. Black rectangles often mean buildings. Icons can mark a church, a post office, a school. Next, understand scale. A map is a miniature of a large area. The ratio tells you how much smaller it is. Use the scale bar to convert map distance to real distance. Use paper edges or a finger to measure between points, then compare to the scale. Many street maps include a grid. Letters on one edge, numbers on the other. Find C, then 4. Where they meet is your square. It pinpoints addresses without scanning the whole map. Once you know north, south is opposite, east to your right, west to your left. Now it is time to plot a course. Identify your starting point. You're at the library, Main Street, and Park Avenue. Pinpoint that intersection. Find your destination, a cafe on Elm Street, several blocks away. Start and end marked. See the challenge. You might see options, shorter with more turns, or longer but direct. Example, walk east on Park Avenue 2 blocks. Then turn north onto Elm Street for 1 block. Lightly pencil your route. Prepare for your first step. Stand with your oriented map. East on the map equals east in the real world. To your right. Turn right and walk Park Avenue. Confirm progress by matching surroundings to the map. About to cross First Street, as shown. At Park and Elm. Time to turn. Elm is your turning point. Turn left onto Elm, walk 1 block. The cafe is on your right. Walk east 2 blocks, turn left, then 1 block. The navigator's checklist. Whenever you pause, keep the map oriented to north. Stop at corners and check the north arrow. Use landmarks as checkpoints. If you feel doubt, stop. Find a recognizable feature and locate it on the map. This technique, resection, confirms your position. Count paces. Keep a rough time between turns. If the first leg is 400 meters, expect about 5 minutes. If 10 minutes pass without your turn, stop and re-examine. Pay attention to both distance and direction. Took a wrong turn? Do not panic. First, stop moving. Find a safe place and pull out your tools. Reorient to north, identify your street, and find it on the map. See where you deviated. Retrace or select a new path. Remember, the map and compass are your tools. First, orient to north. Second, study the key and mark start and end. Third, measure scale. Fourth, trace your route and memorize the first turns. Practice short walks. Soon the language of maps becomes second nature, and you carry quiet confidence.